so welcome back to my channel. This is gonna be my Body Shop Strawberry Edition haul and reviews. Now, I had previously uploaded a similar haul on my channel, but that was long back and I didn't buy a lot of those products at that time. Here I have almost like a huge Strawberry Edition thing going on. And by the way, I've also uploaded a Body Shop's tea tree range haul and reviews on my channel. So if you have not already watched that video, then head on to that video. It will be mentioned in the description box, or I'll try to link it somewhere here. So yeah, anyway, let's get started with today's video. So the first product which I ever owned from the Body Shop was this strawberry shower gel, and so for the first few days I entirely associated Body Shop with their strawberry range. So I'm going to first start with the first product, which is the Body Shop strawberry shower gel. The very basic thing, it is 250 ml, retails for 325 rupees. So this is, I think, my fifth bottle. So I've used a little bit of this fifth bottle. I've finished bottles and bottles of this one. And of course, the good thing about that is you can refill these bottles and use like a lot of DIYs using them. Now, of course, this smells divine. I can just go on smelling this like the entire day. This smells so nice. I mean, I don't know how Body Shop comes up with such nice smelling stuff. And of course, this is like the very basic one. If you're planning to buy anything from the Body Shop, just buy this one. You will not regret it at all. This is so good. And I guess 250 ml for 325 is not very costly. I mean, of course, it is a little on the pricey side, but definitely try this one out. It looks pretty, it smells amazing. Definitely worth the money. Now, the next thing is the Body Shop Strawberry Softening Body Polish, 200 ml, retails for 625. This is what the thing looks like. Okay, now again, this one smells absolutely like strawberries, and the smell of this one and the shower gel are pretty similar. But if you're someone who thinks you don't really want to invest in this one, you can give this one a miss, because I guess one product which you should definitely have from their range is the strawberry shower gel. This one, I mean, of course, if you really want to have that additional, like that long spa session sort of a thing, you can definitely purchase this one. I, of course, picked it up because I loved this range. I mean, I can literally just go on buying this range because I love this one so much. So the consistency of this one is pretty nice. It kind of has this very nice gel-like consistency. I mean, if you can see, so it's a very nice gel-like consistency, not too heavy, not too dry, not too rough, nothing like that. And of course, it comes with very small beads, and the main exfoliants are not exactly like walnut or apricot. They're like very smooth, like rounded exfoliants, pretty much similar to what is there in the body scrubs. Tea tree squeaky scrub. Oh my god, that was a tongue twister. So this is similar to that one, and I guess this is really nice. I mean, all of the products are really nice. I mean, I don't really have negative things to say about any of those. So you can definitely give this one a try, but I guess if you think that this is like a little too costly, you can give this one a miss. So the next thing which I have is this Body Shop Strawberry Softening Gel Lotion, and this is 250 ml, retails for 545. The thing about this one is that it comes with this sort of a cap like thing, so you can actually remove it. So this makes it like super travel friendly. It will not spill and it will not just damage all your clothes and everything. I really like this one. And of course, I got, again, this I think is my fourth or fifth bottle. This is super lightweight, so it is perfect for summers. I mean, on summers I really don't feel like wearing body lotions. I'll just go without body lotions, and then it is gonna get, my skin is gonna get super dry. But ever since I got my hands on this one, this is like super lightweight, super gel like. In fact, it is totally gel like in consistency. It is not at all like, you know, those greasy lotions. It gets absorbed super fast and makes you smell like strawberries all day. Like, wow, who doesn't like that? So yeah, this one is really amazing. So again, another product which you can definitely purchase is this one, though this one is really on the costly side, like 250 ml for 545. But I guess the fact that this one you don't really need to use a lot of this product, and I guess more or less most of the body lotions somehow come in the range of, say, suppose 300 to 400, so you can invest in this one. I mean, you'll not regret. I mean, of course, you can just use it for the summer months at least. This is going to be so good, so good. Now the other product which I have here is this Body Shop Strawberry Body Yogurt. This is 200 ml for 945 rupees. Now, this is going to be a splurge. I mean, you don't really need to invest it. Let me be very honest. This is something which you can just definitely give it a miss too. This is absolutely lovely. This smells great. This I just moved and I'll show you guys. This is like so jelly like. It's so jelly like. It's super lightweight. It smells amazing. It is absolutely amazing. But I mean, I just feel that it is not like, I mean, I won't really feel like spending 945 rupees on this thing. That is just the basic thing. Like, this is 200 ml. The lotion was 250 ml for 500 something. This is almost like 1000 rupees for 200 ml. So that is the reason, I think that is the only reason why, I mean, I will, or I might not, I mean, I will repurchase it. I mean, given me, I will repurchase it. But if I have to suggest someone that whether they should try this one or not, I think you can just give it a miss. It's very similar in consistency to the lotion, except the fact that it is a little more like luxuriant in feel. And of course, owning a body yogurt is like very bougie. So yeah, I mean, if you really want to just try this one, you can. But if you're like, oh, should I or should I not, you can give this one a miss. Go for the like lotion, see if it works for you. If it does, then you can definitely go for this one. Next thing which I have is this Body Shop strawberry lip butter. This is 10 ml, retails for, I think I know this right, this is 250. Now, okay, I've used this one like a little bit. This is my second tub. Rather, this is not the second tub of this one. I was previously using the gloss sort of a thing, the lip balm. I don't know what you call that. So I was previously using that. This is the lip butter. This is very heavy, to be very honest. It's super heavy. I mean, I don't like such heavy lip butters except for in winters. And in winters, I don't really like the smell of strawberry. So it's a little confusing. In winters, I really like something which is got vanilla or shea butter chocolate. And for summers, I usually prefer things like strawberry or peach. But this is super lightweight. But if you have someone who have got really chapped lips, like really dry lips, you can give this one a try. My lips tend to get super dry in winters. But as I said, in winters, I don't really like strawberry. So that's the thing with me. And in summers, I don't like something so heavy on my lips. I usually go for very light liquidy balms and all. Not this one. This is like extremely heavy. So yeah, and this is really very heavy. It's very nice and small, like small. This is pretty cute, and this is very nice and travel friendly as well. Of course, sometimes I do use it, on my like neck and like on my, like when I'm spraying this perfume, I usually put this one on. I don't put it on my lips. I put it like everywhere. So when I'm using the like the perfume, it kind of just makes it last a little long. Now the last two things from this range. So this is the Body Shop's Strawberry Body Mist. This is 100 ml, retails for 6.95. This is what it looks like. And then I have the Body Shop Strawberry EDT for 30 ml, retails for 9.95. So this is what it looks like. Right. So this is what the thing looks like. This is really small. And now coming to the way they smell very straightforward strawberry. Like if you bought strawberry fragrance from other brand, you will know that they have this heart note, base note, top notes and everything. This one has everything of a strawberry. Like this smells strawberry all along. You spray it, it's strawberry. You wear it, it's strawberry. Like you're gonna sleep, it's strawberry. So that is the thing. This is very basic. So if you're someone who likes strawberry perfumes, love it. Like I absolutely love this. If you're someone who likes a little bit of a more complex sort of a perfume, like something which kind of changes the way it smells, like along the course of you wearing it, you might not like it because it's very straightforward. It's literally strawberries. I mean, you won't expect it like to be a blend of a number of like strawberry, this, that. So it's like very straightforward. I absolutely love it, and of course it's long lasting. The body mist doesn't really last that long. It's like it'll hardly last for about 3 to 4 hours. The EDT, however, does last quite long, like somewhere around 7 to 8 hours. And yeah, that's pretty good. I usually spray it here on my neck and on my pulse points, so it lasts for me pretty well. The body mist again, it's like okay. I mean, I won't ask you to purchase a body mist because 100 ml for almost 700 rupees, it's fine. I mean, not very worth, but I think if you want to buy, you can definitely like invest in EDT because it's 30 ml. It's small, but I guess it lasts really long. So that's pretty much it about my Body Shop strawberry range haul and the reviews. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, and if you have used any of these products, any of these Body Shop products, then don't forget to mention in the comments about how it worked for you, which ones you love the most, which one you don't like that. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell button next to it so you never miss an update from my side, and I will see you guys very soon with a brand new video.